made a cup of Greek coffee and I'm ready to unbox this gorgeous box with you. Okay, let's sit comfortably because comfort is key, and I'm about to start the unboxing for today's video from one of my favorite online retailers, Matches Fashion. I love Matches. I browse quite often the website. I don't always make purchases simply because I do buy certain things from Harrods with my Harrods discount, of course. But sometimes when I see brands that we don't have at Harrods and I really love them, I add to the cart. You know what I mean. And at this point, I have to say that I started this YouTube channel just over a year ago, and my second video, if I'm not wrong, was a Matches unboxing fashion haul. I really love that video. I'm gonna link it for you to check it out if you haven't watched it yet. Of course, it feels ages ago. I remember the items that I showed to the video. I didn't even put them on. I didn't try them on simply because I had just moved into this place. There was no furniture. I didn't have a tripod. I didn't have any gadgets. I only had my phone, and there weren't any pieces of furniture to even place my phone to record the video. Nevertheless, it was a very beautiful, heartwarming video that sometimes I do watch because it reminds me, you know, the behind the scenes. And here I am 1 year after with another Matches fashion unboxing. In that video, last year's video, I had ordered some dresses for a destination wedding that we attended last summer. And in this haul, I have bought a dress from the same brand that I purchased last year, and I kept the dress for the wedding, by the way. So let's have a sip of coffee. I don't have the lip gloss with me. I need to change that in a bit. And start showing you items, because when I start talking, I can talk for hours. So the first item comes in is it 36? It comes in a blue box. This is a pair of ancient Greek sandals, one of my favorite sandals company. It is Greek. It is as Greek as it gets. They have beautiful designs. I love that everything is handmade in Greece. They are a little bit pricey, and most of the times when I check the sandals out, I browse during the sale, so just to get a little bit of discount. By the way, you can find ancient Greek sandals at Harrods as well, for everyone who lives in London and comes to Harrods for shopping. Let me know in the comments down below if you've been to Harrods, if you love shopping at Harrods, your thoughts, anything at all. So this is actually a pair of shoes in collaboration with Monsieur L. I think it's a French designer. I didn't know of this collaboration, in all honesty. I was browsing on matches.com. I love the color of the leather. You're gonna die when I show you. Oh my god. And they smell, oh my god, they smell of leather, obviously, but they smell so good. So this is top color. This is a size 36. And it closes. Actually, I've tried this on and it is open. Let me show you the other sandal. Oh, the sun again is playing hide and seek. So this is the other shoe that it is closed, and you can see it has two pieces of leather. The leather is very soft. It's a little bit grainy. Handmade in Greece, it says at the back, obviously. I tried them on, as you'll see from the video. The leather feels really good, but this part of the shoe was very tight for my foot, and it left a lot of gap here. So my feet were up to there, and it felt that there was too much space, and in all honesty, it didn't look very nice. So I don't think I'm gonna keep these, even though I love the color and the style as well, sadly. Now moving on to the next shoes, I've got 4 pairs from the same designer. This is a designer that I've shopped in the past, and I already have 2 pairs of shoes, and I ordered a few of them because I'm not going to keep everything, but I wanted to see what color I prefer. The brand is a Venetian brand, and if you know Venetian slippers, I'm pretty sure you know the brand. It's called Vibi Venezia. They do this traditional Venetian slippers. In majority they are in velvet, but they also do in cotton. I have a pair of cotton ones and a pair of velvet ones, and I absolutely love them. I have found that the cotton ones are a little bit hard and not very gentle on the skin. The very few times that I've worn them, they cause blisters. So this time I only order velvet ones. Let me show you. So I don't know which pair of shoes this has, but let's see. Oh yes, so these ones are, so the style that I have is this one. I'm going to insert a photo, and now I opted for a different style, the Mary Jane one, because I'm so in love with Mary Janes. So the first pair I'm going to show you are the black ones. So total Mary Jane style in velvet with this little detail. You can see the stitching, everything is handmade and hand stitched. Let me bring it closer to you. It's very impressive. It's very sturdy, and I really like this style. Black goes with everything, but let me show you the other colors and I'll tell you which ones I'm keeping. I love that they come in these cute little cotton pouches. Vibi Venezia in red with the slippers. Oh, this color is to die for. I'm keeping this one because it is red. I love red. I love red. So the velvet is this vibrant red, and then the detail around it is like a burgundy. It's a richer color, and the same goes with the sole over here. It's this rich burgundy color. It's so beautiful. So you can see also how they are inside. No, you can't see. Voila, so cute. I'm in love, what can I say? Next pair of Vibi Venezias. These ones, by the way, retail for £85, and these ones is another pair. These were on sale, so they were a little bit cheaper. Again in velvet, but they have a bit of a design here. So it's a rich velvet, brownish velvet, and it has hand-stitched little flowers, but they have pink and green detail. Very pretty as well, and at a fraction of the original price. And the last pair, guys, no, actually I have, yes, no, just one more. Enough, Helen, you've overdone it with the Vibi Venezias. So the last pair, guys, is in this beautiful navy blue color. I mean, navy is blue, huh? So just navy should do. And again, the stitching over here is a little bit darker, so it makes a beautiful, a beautiful contrast. I've decided to keep, can you guess? The navy ones and the reds. So the black and the brown ones are going back. I love the black ones as well, but what I'm thinking is that I want to order a pair of black leather Mary Janes. I don't know the brand yet, but this is what I want to get. And of course the leather ones can be worn more often because it is leather. Velvet is a little bit sensitive, so these are not for every day, of course. So that was my thinking for all the shoes and the sandals. And the last item on this haul is a dress from the brand, as I told you earlier on, from the brand that I purchased last year on Matches Fashion. It's a beautiful dress. Reminds me, it's similar to the style that I purchased last year, but it comes with long sleeves and different colors. Last year I got the patchwork, which is a signature design for Alemais dresses, and by the way, they are linen. And in case you haven't watched this channel before, you haven't watched any of my videos, I love linen, and today I'm wearing another beautiful linen dress that I've purchased from Matches Fashion last year. Let me show you. This one is from Kasaraki, another beautiful brand that I absolutely love. But enough talking, let me show you the Alemais dress details. Green is one of my favorite colors as well. I think this will be a perfect match with my glasses. And also the other pair of velvet slippers that I have from Vibi Venezia are in a rich forest green, and I think they will look amazing with this dress, because I don't always want to wear high heels when I'm wearing a dress, especially a long dress. I want to be comfortable, casual. Let the dress do all the talking. Well, I'm doing all the talking in this video, aren't I? Voila, guys, this is the dress. Beautiful details. As you'll see from the video that I will also insert, the sleeves are quite voluminous. They're not shy. And this is all cream, and the ends have the same pattern as well. It's a beautiful dress. My size, for reference, is a UK 10, or the 10 that they have on their website as well. The fit was perfect. It was the same size as the dress that I purchased last year. It was a little bit tight this time around, simply because I've put on some weight, but that is fine. We can work on it. So I was happy with the fit. I was happy with the style of the dress. It does add some volume, of course, because it is long, and the sleeves have a volume of their own, but it's fine. I don't mind it. I do like it, and I like the length, and I love the quality of the linen. The linen is super soft. As I had mentioned last year in that Matches Fashion unboxing video, another brand that I love, by the way, this is an Australian brand, and I believe that Australian brands have to offer the best linen clothing that there are on the market. So in that video I've also said that the brand that I love is Zimmermann, and Alemais is giving me a lot of Zimmermann vibes. Of course, they have some quite expensive pieces, but you can also find some pieces that the prices are a little bit friendlier and more attractive if we were to compare them to Zimmermann. So this is great because if you've ever purchased from Zimmermann, or if you've browsed Zimmermann dresses, they are very pricey. Very beautiful, but very pricey. So voila, that was the haul for today. Let me know what you thought of the items, if you liked anything, if you shopped any of these brands before. I would love to know. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you will check out last year's video as well. It's a very raw one, but as I said, I really love it, and it was the beginning of something that has lasted a year and counting, that I have thoroughly enjoyed, and I still enjoy. And of course, needless to say at this point, that I wouldn't probably be doing this if it wasn't for anyone who is loving, supporting and watching this channel. This means so much to me, and I would like to thank you from the bottom of my Greek heart. Thank you guys. Until the next video, drink lots of coffees if you are a coffee lover like me, and I hope to see you soon. Ciao guys. Or shall I say, yasu?